Hi, hello, my dear friends. How are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I will talk about fifth tool required for mind and energy management, that is sunlight. Why is it so important to talk about this? See, there is a friend of mine. He got into dream company and he wanted to do artwork and he want to do some incredible stuffs. So he worked day and night for about 8 to 10 months. And after some 10 months, he felt very uncomfortable within him. He also got some skin disease. When he consulted doctor, then he came to know that the sunlight is the root cause and everything else was taken care. This is basically because he was already exposed to sunlight as he was in the lab most of the times, right from early morning till late evening. He went to achieve his dreams without taking care of his health. So what happened? Because of his health conditions, he was not able to focus on his dreams. So talking more on the importance, what if the earth stops rotating? See, one side of the earth would be completely dark, then what's going to happen? All the plants would die, right? And you would say that I will move to the other side of the earth. But let us consider the case when the sun goes for strike for about 10 to 20 days. What's going to happen? The whole life on the earth would be vanished. Don't you think so? With this, I hope that now you understand the importance of sunlight. Basically, what I want to tell is such powerful energy is out there and it is available for free for all of us. So we should utilize it by understanding its advantages completely. So the expectation is that we should expose ourselves to sunlight consistently in the right manner to get energy and other benefits. But the reality is that some people hardly think in that direction and do not even care to expose to sunlight. Now let me talk about the connection of sunlight with energy management. This is pretty much straightforward. As you all know, sunlight is a source of energy, and the plant uses this energy during photosynthesis and produce food, and we eat that food to get energy. Like this, there are many articles in the internet. One such thing that fascinated me is, can humans absorb light energy directly? So with this, I hope you will get the connection of sunlight with energy management. But now let me talk about the connection of sunlight with mind management. This is not straightforward to some people because we would not have studied in that direction. So let me throw some light on this. When you expose to sunlight, certain hormones are released in the brain, which helps in boosting mood. Okay, and also it helps in feeling calm and more focused. Like this, there are many articles on the internet which talks about the benefits of sunlight on your brain. So please go through them to know its advantages completely. So with this, you will also get to know, the importance of sunlight with mind management. Now let me talk about the connection of sunlight with immune system. This is very much important because we have corona pandemic, and also we are also seeing that there is a new strain of virus already in few parts of the world. Sunlight improves our immune system. Vitamin D plays a critical role for our immune system, and with consistent exposure to sunlight, we can help strengthen our immune system. A healthy immune system will help to reduce the risk of many diseases, right? So, what to follow and how to think? Consistent exposure to sunlight during right time and for right duration is much required. Maybe in the early morning or late evening for about 10 to 15 minutes. Google out for more details to get maximum benefits. The second point is very much important. We all exposed to sunlight in one or the other manner, but there is one thing that is missing altogether. That is mindfulness act. While you are exposing to sunlight, think of its advantages and think that you are getting all those advantages. Think that your mind and body are energized. Think that your mind is refreshed and helping in achieving calmness and focus. All right. The third point is, like how you eat food every day, you should be exposed to sunlight every day. There are many health benefits that you can get it from sunlight. So use it like a natural medicine. I hope now you got a clarity on what should be followed and what to think when it comes to sunlight. I hope that you enjoyed this video and it is useful for you. In my upcoming videos, I will talk more about mind and energy management strategies. Please do subscribe if you have liked the channel and it has helped you. Subscribe to support me to bring in more videos. If you subscribe, it increases my motivation to talk about much more interesting topics. All right. Thanks for watching, my dear friends. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.